Hello again, everyone. Thanks for stopping by the EMA Tech channel, and we'll get right to it. And I wanted to focus on two of the aspects that I look at, or that I'm trying to develop for myself. I wanted to learn how to get my Renko action going, and I added the Aroon Indicator. And I have two other indicators that I use, but I took them off so that we would have more screen because I'm doing this on my phone. But my main focus is to match up the Aroon with the movements in and out of the whole moving average. The whole moving average is the yellow moving average up top here. And I really like using this moving average because it doesn't seem like price bounces off the average. It goes to it, it crosses it, or it goes back below it. It doesn't really bounce off it like it would a 200 or an 89. So what we're going to look at is these movements in and out of, like I said, the whole moving average, and lining them up with changes in the Aroon. Okay, right now over here, I have a short in, and I'm making a little money. And I'll go back over to my live side because this mirrors my live prop trading account. And I just kind of like the way this thing strikes and lines up together. Okay, where the Aroon crosses red to the upside, you got your first candle, your first full down brick. The Aroon is set at 10. Got your first one. So that's a good start. When that moving average, when the bricks move into the moving average, I start paying attention to that. Now, if you notice, it lines up as selling is starting to rise. As selling is starting to rise, the Aroon, the brick size, or the brick enters the whole moving average, and it retraces, but it comes back in there. So that's a good way to wait. That's a good time to wait on this thing to flesh itself out and decide whether it wants to continue to the upside or to continue, or to start a new trend going down, no matter how long it may be. But let's go back through here and look at some good examples. Now, this is a good example right here. If you had got in this trade, let's see, let's shorten this up so I can get this whole pippage here. If you had got in this trade when it broke out, it's kind of hard to see, but right here, you had the blue line come above the red line on the Aroon indicator. That tells me that, okay, the buying has started. So the buying starts, you're inside your whole moving average. And this continues to give you pips going to the upside. Let's see how many it got on this one move. Let's see here. Wait. Now let's go from the bottom of this brick right here, this first blue brick. Okay, so we're moving up through here. And I'm not going to say that if you got the top, but the top of that is 53 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll take it any day of the week. All right. You had a little bit of breakdown in the middle of it, but it was just a retracement. And it went on up. Now, one thing to notice is, or one thing I notice is, as you're moving across this moving average, at the beginning of this trend, and that doesn't mean anything, that's not concrete, okay? But at the beginning of this trend, these bricks right here are what I call one brick away from the moving average, the whole moving average, okay? It breaks down, but it comes up to this level, and then it starts cutting through these bricks, right? So then when you get to the top, it cuts through that brick and it comes right in there. Now, this is the one I like. This is the one that's cut and dry. This is the reversal that is like the one I love, right? So, but if you notice that right here, where the selling starts here, okay? And that's what I wish that I could get this to turn red right there. Maybe I have to move my Aroon adjustment down, but I'll take that. I'm not going to quibble over that. But right here, that first candle, it's just basically showing, okay, we're coming down, but see, we're coming down on the blue line. It's declining. Buying is declining, but it's enough to start printing that brick, right? So you're printing that whole brick. Now with the Aroon, you have to print 10 pips before it will print another brick. So then we get this. And as you know, as we come down through here, you can't really move the pointer right to the cross, but you see what I'm talking about. It crosses up. You got two bricks. If you get a brick color change, what I hear the gurus tell me is, you see two bricks print and your price is going the direction that you want, then go with that direction, with that price. Now it may turn around and go back on you. That's just how it is. But by using the Aroon, it's at least telling you, okay, we're going down for a little bit. So we'll go down. And it goes down, but you have another reversal. So then the blue line comes above the red again, and you back off to the upside, but you have a little consolidation in here that you got to get through. But that's just the way it goes, right? That's trading. So that's it. That's all I wanted to talk about. Now I can add my momentum and my Williams %R back to the video later. But yeah, this matches up pretty good with what I'm trying to do on my live side channel. Let's see what I'm doing here. Oh, okay. I'm making a little money here. Let's see. I got about $16. About $16 going right there. I got my money flow added to the bottom panel on the Williams %R. And I don't know. I just like to use it. I know people, often say, well, it's too busy. It's too much to pay attention to. And I'm like, well, you're just lazy. You're just lazy. And if you don't know what these lines mean and what they are and the context in which you can derive your analysis, then, that's on you. But I'm not perfect. I get it wrong a lot, right? So that's what I've noticed. That's my call. Don't trade because I said so. Take what I've said and incorporate it into what you do, or maybe give you another perspective to look at to pick your entries. So if you would like, please I'd appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to donate to this channel to help me get it off the ground, just send me a message, and I will send you my Cash App notification. Well, excuse me, my Cash App ID, and we can keep this thing rolling. I can do a few videos showing you all what I'm doing in my prop firm trading platform, and in my demo trade. And I'm hoping to mirror these trades with the other trades. See, look at that. It's starting to print that second brick on the downside. You got a little breakout right there. So there you go. All right. That's all I got for right now. Thanks a lot, everyone. Appreciate you, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.